welcome back to the channel. It's the comic book heel and
the little comic book heel.
he wanted to do another video, so we decided to decided to pick up his toys that he has that are comic book related, that he's gotten for birthdays and Christmas and all that cool stuff. So he's gonna take up the toys and he's gonna show you. First off, we got
Hawkeye.
Hawkeye? What?
Thor. Thor.
Yeah, it's Thor. It's because he has short hair. It's Thor from Infinity War with the eye patch, right?
Yep.
All right, and put him on this side when you're done with them. Who's next?
Black Panther.
Black Panther. He's from Wakanda. Wakanda,
Yeah.
what? Wakanda forever.
Yeah. But the new ones go like this.
Oh yeah, the new ones move more. Like, look. He has older ones that don't move as well.
I know. And next is Thor.
Thor. You gotta show them. Go up there. There you go, like that. Yeah.
Then they don't go like this.
Yeah, they don't open.
They already go like that.
Yeah, but this one's cool though because it has his hammer. Mjolnir.
I know.
You know what's also cool? We have a little Thor Tsum Tsum.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. And then his hammer's on the side. It's Mjolnir. That's funny.
And what's his hammer?
His hammer's like attached to him.
Oh, his hammer is the tag?
Yeah. Well, it's like right here on the other side. See? Boop. Hey, what's next? Who's next? Who's that guy?
Ant-Man.
Ant-Man! He rides ants. He has a little ant. He rides them and his name's Anthony. Who's next?
Iron Man.
Iron
Oh, he
Man!
has like a thing.
Oh, this thing on the back, I guess if you buy like the little pack thing, they talk to each other in their voices, but we don't have that. Oh well. Who's next?
Falcon.
Falcon! For some reason, only has one wing, but Falcon. Show yours. That's in his OG comic book suit.
I know, but
Well,
I think
not the.
Let
He
me
has
go get
another.
Let me go see the wing. Let me go.
It's not the movie suit. Where are you going?
I'm going to get the wing.
It's okay. He doesn't need the other wing. We just show him other stuff. They got it. They know he flies. Oh, here's my favorite
Yeah.
toy. Captain and why? We have him he close his legs. Oh, you hit the viewers. All right, who's next?
The kids.
And who's next? It's not just kids. There's adults watching too. Oh, well, let's put it to the side. For later. Who's next?
Black Spider-Man.
And we know what his name is?
Miles Morales.
Miles Morales. Yeah, you're out of this. You're out of the
Regular
frame.
Spider-Man.
You gotta sit up here, baby, because you can't see when you go down.
Regular Spider-Man and Black Spider-Man.
Peter Parker. But what did Dad say on accident?
Peter Parkley.
Peter Parkley. All right, we got another Cap. We got Infinity War with the beautiful beard Cap.
Yeah. A short beard.
And then we got wait, what? We got two Black Panthers?
Yep.
I forgot about that. Where's the other Black Panther? Oh,
Two Black Panthers.
Wakanda forever ×2. All right, who's next? Darth Vader. He doesn't belong in here. He's not a Marvel character, but we got Darth Vader missing his lightsaber somewhere over there. But Seth,
Look, this one
Seth,
doesn't watch.
guess what?
What?
I am your father.
What?
Who's next?
Hulk.
Hulk. What does Hulk do?
Smash.
Whoa, show them. Smashing. Hulk. Smash.
You know what he's gonna do? He's gonna smash the viewers.
Rah! Alright, who's next? We got
America.
Captain America from the Disney store. This is the big one.
This is a new one too.
Yeah, he's not the same line. He's the Disney Select one.
He's
He pushes the button, he goes, psh, but I think his batteries are out.
Yeah,
his batteries are out. He
yeah,
usually
but-
talks.
Yeah, but usually, look,
What?
push the star.
Yeah, it doesn't work anymore. His batteries are out. Okay, we got a couple more. Oh, we got one more. Another Captain America over here. He had a lot of Captain Americas. Captain America was my favorite hero for a while.
And Star Lord.
And who's your favorite hero? Tell them, not me. Dude, that's my favorite hero, Cheater.
That's my favorite hero too.
This guy?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, and then who's this?
Black Widow.
Black Widow from Infinity War, and then we got the big bad guy with the, what does he have? coming over?
The rainbow stone.
The Rainbow Stones. Do you remember when you watched the movie? What did he do?
Snap.
He snapped. And what happened to the heroes?
They're all died.
They all turned to dust. He watched it. He watched it, and he sat there. He's just like, where are the heroes going? Why does Spider-Man feel okay? Told him he had to wait until the next movie next year, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I know. So out of all of these, that's all of them. Out of all of these, which one is your favorite of all the toys? I know there's a big pile of them over here.
I know which one it is.
You do?
Yeah.
Which one?
It's super duper buried. I can't even get
It's
it.
super duper buried?
Yeah.
Give me a whisper. Who is it?
Let me get it, and then I will tell you when you're here.
Okay. Iron Man. Oh, Iron Man. He looks pretty cool.
Yeah, because.
Because you can do the splits.
Yeah.
All right.
Of course.
You got the pops behind us too. You can do the pops are cool too, right?
Yeah.
Anything else you wanna tell the viewers?
No.
You enjoy. All right. So we're good.
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoyed looking at this little toy
Yeah,
collection of all Marvel characters.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe
And like.
and
all that cool stuff. The comic book heel signing out, and who you?
the little comic book heel.
Peace.